Hello everyone! We've got great news to share. Starting November 10th, I'm going to launch Black Friday deals dedicated to Stahlwille. You can now enjoy up to 50% off on the brand's premium German-made tools and storage solutions. Stahlwille represents over 150 years of German engineering excellence. The brand has gained worldwide recognition for producing precision tools. From automotive workshops to aviation maintenance, Stahlwille is trusted wherever accuracy is truly important. And this November, you can acquire these legendary tools at special Black Friday prices on MisterWorker. Explore the complete Stahlwille catalog on MisterWorker.com, featuring torque wrenches, wrench sets, roller cabinets, and tool sets. From the iconic Manoscope 730 series to advanced storage solutions. During this Black Friday season, whether you work in automotive, aerospace, or industrial sectors, you'll find professional-grade tools built to last. Don't miss your chance to equip your workshop with authentic German-made tools. Visit MisterWorker.com to discover all the Stahlwille Black Friday offers.
MisterWorker. Work tools for professionals.